Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me show you how to make this amazing topping template in just 4 minutes. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and insert an image. So the image I'm using is of Burj Al Arab, and we'll just, while holding control, we'll increase its size that it covers the entire slide. And we're going to move the upper part of it into the slide that only the upper part is shown. Let's crop it that it just covers the entire slide and the picture does not go out of the template either from the left or right or top or bottom part. Next we'll insert a rectangle right here and give it the color of white. Go to shape format, go to fill and transparency and increase its transparency. Next we'll just insert another rectangle just right here. Remove its outline, give it a fill of red color. And we're gonna write the title, which is the name of this building. So the name of this building is Burj Al Arab, which is in Dubai. Let's give it some letter spacing. Next, what we're gonna do is add some more content, like the height of this building, or the floors, or the rooftop, or like anything like that. So we'll just add some straight rectangle right here, give it an outline, the fill of gradient fill, duplicate it and then border it like this. Close the format background. Next, what we're gonna do is insert text, so I'll just increase its size. Let's just bold it so that we can clearly see what is written right here. Here you go. Next, we're gonna just duplicate our shapes and rotate them and then put them onto the left side and increase their size if necessary. We're gonna insert our text box again, increase its size, use a bold font for it, and change its color to white. Duplicate, first of all, what we're going to do is just go to insert tab and search for stars and insert this 3-star icon, convert it to shape and only remove the 2 other stars and put one in the bottom. And next we're going to duplicate it about 5 times. This is going to be our rating, so we'll just give it yellow color, and for let's just give it 4-star rating. Duplicate the slide. Next we're going to move our half of the image upwards, that the other uh, like the middle part is visible in our slide. Next, what we're gonna do is customize our text if we want. Right here, I'm gonna add the floors of this building. So there are a total of 60 floors, and then I'll just add some more information. Duplicate the slide, go to crop option while holding shift, move the picture upwards. Next, we're gonna add some more information or customize the previous text box. So there you go. Now let's decrease its size and insert our subtitle as well. Now let's just increase its size. There you go. Now let's give shadow to the text so that we can clearly see it. You can give it a glow of white color as well. Similarly, we'll give glow to the other shapes as well. Select all the templates, give them morph transition from the transition tab. So this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can download this free template from the link in the description below.